When you start doing the tree to design as a bonsai, we always try to study the trunk, and you need to find the one we call front or the back. Look at this structure right here, how nice the structure right here. This is a good beginning. This is one of the options as the front. Then if this is the front, we're looking at the back side. See here. Also nice, interesting how to develop the structure. In looking at that, both of them is as good. Let's say we maybe consider this is the front. Why this is the front? Because the tree more likely is toward to you. So you don't want to plant the tree like this way, so the tree not respect people. This is a spirit on the bonsai. You have to try to avoid any branches if they turn to you like this branches here. This is straight, and you don't want to consider this is the front because the tree pointed to you like this. What happens if you like this side here? You may consider move that little bit your tree, see if any other option can solve this problem. Otherwise, you probably need to wire this, go to the other side, or you remove the whole thing, just depending on the tree. I put the stick right here. If you not put this, a lot of time, especially a beginner, you forgot, and you can, oh, this is the front, I think this is nice. You're working right here, and later on you say, oh, this is the front, then the whole tree design would be messed.